stop.
Except the little fish, but they told me he swears, trying to talk to me coy, coy. Where's my mind? Where's my mind? Where is my mind? Where's my mind? Where's my mind? Way out in the water, see you swimming with your feet on the air and your head on the ground. Try this trick and spin it, yeah.